This time let's take a look at how to create network zones both in the GUI and in the CLI. So we go across to admin and then to zone configurations. And you can see here that are the zones that are currently configured in my network. And if we want to create a new one, we would click add and we'd fill in the information on this form, this window, hit save and go from there. But how do we do it using the CLI? Let's take a look at that. I've changed across here to the CLI, and this is the command that we'd use. So we're configuring the IDS, the virtual image, the zone section. We're going to create. In this case, the subnet is 192.168.80.0/24, and we're going to call it malware lab. We hit enter here. There's our success message. Let's check back in our zone configurations and see the changes. Okay, we're back here in zone configurations, and you can see that the malware lab zone now exists. So let's take a look at its options and see what's actually happened here. So we jump inside, and you can see that really we've configured the name and the matching segment. Everything else on this page is still as it was by default. Now you've used different configuration commands, different CLI commands to populate the rest of this. If you had a whole bunch of network segments that you were adding in, let's say you've just added a new production line or a new factory and you need to do a configuration, you know what the segments are going to be, you could draft all these CLI commands up in a text editor and just copy paste line after line, bang, 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 and get this done in no time at all.